When I think about this quote, I think a lot about the influence of students' family, school climate, and a sense of connectedness within the school on academic achievement. Recently, our MTSS team looked closely at our school's discipline data from the year thus far, which showed that referrals occur at rates that are disproportionate to our student population. And in a majority of the cases, the most serious offense was identified as disrespect or defiant, which is a nonviolent act and one that is broad and vaguely defined. This quote, along with recent discussions with various teams here on behavior and discipline, had me asking, are we building strong children or ensuring that their communities will have future broken adults in need of repair? I think the mission here is to create a culture in which restorative practices can thrive. My own experience, has been that while our collective hearts as educators are in the right place, we tend to make decisions based on past experience. After all, we began our on-the-job training as teachers when we were 5 years old. Our beliefs about school, classroom management, and discipline have been shaped by decades of experience starting in kindergarten. What we need is an effective classroom management system, one that we can hold on to in times of stress and strife. But the term classroom management is confusing and misleading, mainly because it has no clear and widely agreed upon definition. For some, the term refers to general control of students. For others, it refers to discipline procedures. And for others still, refers to both routines and procedures. I recently came across a definition that I think we can stand behind. Cassetta and Sawyer define classroom management as being about building relationships with students and teaching social skills along with academic skills, and I couldn't agree more with this. There are two aspects of an effective learning environment, and by extension, successful classroom management. We have relationships, and specifically the range of interpersonal skills necessary to maintain healthy relationships, and high-quality instructions. When students have strong, trusting relationships both with the adults in the school and with their peers, and when their lessons are interesting and relevant, it's harder for them to misbehave. I don't expect an effective classroom management system to eliminate all problematic behavior any more than I could expect a new set of standards to raise all students' scores by leaps and bounds on the first try. Students are going to misbehave as they learn and grow. It's how we respond to their misbehavior that matters. I do, however, believe that students should have a chance to learn from their mistakes and to restore any damaged relationships with others. This view is a restorative approach to discipline, one that I'm hoping we can adopt here at Eflin Cheeks.